Leaving a trail of smoke and dust, these war machines are the newest addition to the Indian Army's artillery. The K9 Vajra or Thunder is a 155mm howitzer that can hit targets at a distance of 40 km, firing from both high and low angles. The army held a drill in Rajasthan's Bikaner to try the new machine.
जैसे K9 वज्रा आपने देखा है कि K9 वज्रा एक नया इक्विपमेंट है जो भारतीय सेना में शामिल हुआ है और किसी और इक्विपमेंट की ये ट्रेनिंग होती है इसी प्रकार ताकि हमारा क्रू पूरी तरह से इसको इस्तेमाल करने में सक्षम रहे और इसके तमाम विशेषताओं को पूरी तरह युद्ध कौशलता को दिखा सके और जरूरत पड़ने पर उसको पूरी तरह से इस्तेमाल कर सके.
What is so special about K9 Vajra? This self-propelled gun gives additional power to the Indian Army with enhanced firepower. It is equipped with a defense mechanism that can save the crew from small arms and 155mm splinters. The gun is mounted on a tracked platform which makes it easy to maneuver in tough terrain. The mobility of the howitzer comes from air-cooled nuclear and chemical filters. It goes with the regular armored infantry fighting vehicles ICVs like T-90, T-72 and the BMPs. K9 Vajra is the first ever artillery gun manufactured by the Indian private sector by the Mumbai-based Larsen & Toubro L&T Defence. The company won a 4,500 crore rupee contract under a global tender, and now it is there for all to see. 100 guns were inducted in February 2021, out of which 3 were deployed for high-altitude operations in Ladakh. The induction of these highly mobile and agile artillery guns, moving at a speed of 60 km per hour, will give a huge boost to the Indian Army's inventory. There is more to come. The next Made in India howitzer is likely to be the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO manufactured Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System. A Federal Report.